How to convert TikTok Paylater to cash. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can convert TikTok Paylater into cash. So for that, first of all, you'll have to open your TikTok application, and then you'll have to click on this profile icon on the top right. After coming on your profile, you'll be able to see these three horizontal lines at the top right. Then just click on this. Among these options, you'll have to click on Settings and Privacy. Now here, you'll be able to see this option Balance, so just click on that. And now this is your account balance. If you have coins and rewards, all of them will be displayed over here. Now these will be your live rewards, but I don't have any, so that's why it's written 0. But if you'll be having your rewards and coins, it will be displayed here. So just click on the live rewards. Your available balance will be displayed here. Now if you have enough balance, you can just type in the amount of balance you want to convert into cash. So you'll just type that and click on withdraw. And that is how you'll be able to withdraw your Paylater from TikTok into cash. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.